Student laptop loaner request process. Explained. Renting a student laptop is quick, easy, and most importantly, it's free. Let me show you the steps. Open up a browser and navigate to humber.webcheckout.net/patron. Enter your Humber username and password, and complete the multi-factor authentication. On this main page, click New Reservation, and choose Tech Zone from the drop-down list and click OK. Set the start date to at least 1 day in advance and set your end date. The start date cannot be the current date. Save the date and then click Add Items. Click on Computers, and then click on Laptops. Then choose Student Laptops. Click Add one of this type and you will see that the laptop has been added to your cart. Then click Close. If you see the green banner that has Ready to Save, just click Save Reservation. You will now see an orange banner with Approval is pending. An email will be sent to you advising whether your request has been approved or denied. If approved, you will arrange a pickup time and date through the bookings link in the email. You can edit or cancel your request on this page if need be. To be eligible for this service, students must be verified as enrolled in courses in the current semester. If you need additional help, contact us in person, on the phone, or online.